These two Jordan 1s are some of the most hyped and expensive Jordan 1s of the year. The University Blues and the Hyper Royals. In this video, I'm going to show you guys a very affordable, cheaper Air Jordan 1 that you can purchase for around $200. This Jordan 1 releases tomorrow. This is going to be a sneaker that will sell out. Resale is not going to be anything too crazy. These two Jordan 1s go for crazy money, guys. We all know that these are four $450 Air Jordan 1s. After the release, shortly after the release, for $450, and they're only going to go up from that point forward. In this box, I have a pair of Jordan 1s that's only going to sell for around $200. Retail at $170. It's pretty affordable, a few dollars over retail, not too much. If you take an L on this Jordan 1 tomorrow, you cop up this pair if you like this sneaker, if this is going to be a personal pair, because this is going to be a Jordan 1 that will be affordable. Before we take a look at this Jordan 1, I need to tell you guys about this Jordan 1 giveaway for the Hyper Royals. I am giving away the Hyper Royal Jordan 1 right here, brand new size 8. On May 11th, I'll be selecting the winner. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below in the comment section. Then give me a follow on Instagram at DannyMoore2369. And then be sure to DM me proof that you did everything. So, let's unbox this Jordan 1 that will release tomorrow. $170. They will sell out. They'll sell for about $200, guys. Pretty affordable. If you're looking for a Jordan 1 or your first Jordan 1 that's affordable, this is going to be a very good option, a very wearable Jordan 1. Let's open these up. Right here we have the Air Jordan 1 Patina. This Jordan 1 is extremely wearable, and pictures do not do this sneaker justice at all. Video as well. This is a Jordan 1 I'm telling you guys are going to want to get yourselves in hand. Get this sneaker in hand and then judge it. This is a fire clean Air Jordan 1. I want to start off with the back. I need to discuss the back of the sneaker. This is not gray. This is more of an olive color suede. Very, very nice. High quality. Very, very dope. They did a good job with this Jordan 1. I do like the bronze effect going on. It reminds me a lot of a penny, to be honest. I think it's clean, and I like the effect of it. How it is around the toe. It shines depending on how you move the light. You can see the black leather, tumbled leather. The Nike swoosh also has the bronze effect, and then it goes into the olive suede there on the back. Very dope, very wearable Air Jordan 1. Take a look at the midsole. It is that cream midsole, the off-white midsole that we all know and love. They didn't use just a traditional white midsole. They switched it up. They also switched up my only complaint about the sneaker that I think a lot of people are not gonna like has to be that tongue with the Nike Air. We do not have our traditional Nike Air like usual that we all know and love. They switched it up and gave us this. Of course, I prefer that. I'm sure a lot of us do. But they did switch it up. They gave us some stitching, some like swiveled stitching around it. Zigzag stitching around the Nike Air in this fresh mint color, they're calling it, which they actually come with extra laces as well in that fresh mint color to go ahead and match the Nike Air on the tongue. Very dope. This is an affordable Jordan 1. These will remain affordable for a while. I do think that these will take quite a bit to see $300. I definitely think they're very clean, very wearable, affordable. This is going to be a dope Jordan 1 that you guys can get your hands on for around $200 in pretty much every size. Pretty much every size, guys. That black outsole makes it very easy to clean and easy to wear, easy to throw on. This is a very dope shoe, guys. These are clean. Get them in hand. Do not sleep on this Jordan 1. Get them in hand and then make your decision whether you like them or not. The color on the box does read black, fresh mint, and light army. So the fresh mint being that, and then I guess the light army being the olive color, the light army olive color there on the back on the suede. I think they're clean. I'm excited that they're releasing, and these are going to be affordable and remain affordable at around that $200 price point. I cannot stress that enough. These Jordan 1s that are very, very hyped, highly anticipated, are so much money right off the release. These are not going to be like that. I think a few reasons why, personally. You can leave your comments down below. Feel free to, please. Leave a discussion. Let's have a discussion. Let me know why you think resale is not going to be that crazy on this sneaker. I personally think it has to do with a few things. First and foremost is the Nike Air. I don't think people are a huge fan of that. I think we all prefer the regular Nike Air. I think the bronze effect is kind of throwing people off. Some people like it, some people don't. And I think some people don't like it against this olive color. Some pictures, like I said, are making it look gray. I think people are thinking it's gray. It's not. It's like an olive color. So I think it's kind of throwing a lot of people off. And it's hurting resale from it as well. This is not going to be a very highly in-demand Air Jordan 1. It's not going to be highly sought after like that. I don't know. Why else resale is not too crazy? I guess because they made a good amount of pairs. I don't know, guys. They made a good amount of pairs, I'm sure. But why is resale so low? What makes resale on this Jordan 1 $400 after release, and this one around $200 after release? Leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on that. What do you think? Is it the colorway? Is it more so one's more limited than the other? Because I don't think it's really so much the limited factor when it comes to these. I feel like they mass produce both of these a lot. So let me know. What do you guys think it is? What do you think it is? I feel like it's more so the colorway more than anything, as well as they switched up the Nike Air. Personally, I feel like those are the main things. Let me know what you guys think about these down below in the comments. The patinas, will you be picking up a pair? Do you own a pair? Will you be paying that resale price? Go take a look at, these apps, StockX, GOAT, any resale platform. You're gonna see them for around that $220 price point, which is not bad at all for Air Jordan 1 high, man. Not at all. This is not a mid. This is a high. This is very dope, very wearable, very affordable. Let me know what you guys think about the Patina Air Jordan 1 down below in the comments. Do not forget to enter in the Hyper Royal Air Jordan 1 giveaway. I'll be picking a winner on May 11th. Just be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and DM me on Instagram with proof that you did that. This giveaway is completely free. More family, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up on this video. Let's get this video up to 500 likes so that I can announce another Air Jordan 1 giveaway after the Hyper Royal giveaway. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out. I have to give a huge thanks to Sole Premise for sponsoring today's video. Be sure to click my link down below in the description and use my discount code DannyMoore to save yourself 40% off your order from SolePremise.com. Sole Premise makes high quality, affordable bags for sneakerheads when you travel. As you guys can see, I have the duffel bag with a bunch of my favorite sneakers in here. I'm all ready to go when I travel, and I have extra sneakers on the side as well. You can see on my black cement 3s. Check out Sole Premise. The link is down below in the description. Use my discount code. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring today's video. Be sure to check them out, sneakerheads.